Hi, today I want to show you that female can be visual on male bodies too. Have you ever encountered mainstream of people who often said something sound like, "Oh, only male who attracted to female bodies, never the reverse," or "female only attracted to bodies of her husband," or "penis is just another body part." Of course, in this video we not specific talk only about groin area, but basically society who is dominated by religious fanatic, political correctness, culture, media like BBC, Vice, or Asian Boss, modesty type of Asian feminist, and its superhero dude who have obsession with so-called quote-unquote female modesty, love to portray their prejudice that we men are the only sex that can be visual, and how evil we men are for admiring female form, and usually everybody will just buy it. But now I want to show you that not only male who can attracted to the opposite sex. Female can be visual to male form too. And of course, I will show it or point it out with respect. Once I thought I want to just bashing feminists, but in the process, I meet several ladies who are nice and kind to me. And also in my video evidence, there is also a ladies or a girl who openly admit they can admire male form or male bodies. And I respect them for that. But before that, I want you to bear in mind that for every evidence that I show you, each of them can be vary on how strong the level of this evidence. For example, if I show you photos A and photos B, photos A can be the strong evidence that this female attracted to male bodies, and photos B may be just 40%, but it still show you there is a sign that this female do it or stare like that because she attracted to male form. So by remember that in mind, let us start. Other thing to remember is I am not saying that women and women are 100% perfectly the same. What I try to say is society have biased belief that somehow women and women have a huge gap disparity when it comes to these specific issues. And what I trying to say is the gap is not so big like we perceive. Okay, men and women almost have the same way on how they visually attracted to their opposite sex bodies. Part 1. Female can find male topless or male chest attractive too. Mainstream society, especially at Southeast Asia, by a biased belief that only men are visual. Like these video scenes show you where hijabi feminists said that men attracted to ugly breasts.
Semua laki-laki, mau wanita itu jelek ataupun apa, tapi setiap kali wanita itu bertelanjang dada lah di depan laki-laki, pasti laki-laki bakalan berhasrat.
But hey, female can find male chest or topless male attractive too. Evidence number 1. There is a famous ladies at UK who tweet during the debate or discussion that female can find male chest attractive. Now, modesty type of Asian feminists will try to deny it by say something like, "No, they don't. How do you know this is her real account?" Well, she have tons of followers on her account. If the account were fake, the follower will not so numerous like that. And also I already follow her long time ago and I know it's the real one. Okay, if you don't believe me, you can come to her and ask her. Okay, evidence number 2. Maybe how if we just show the real female say that they can attracted to male bodies. In this video, the first video show you where the Christian ladies complain why only female must modest at swimming pool. She asks like, oh, it is because so that the guy will not get attracted to female bodies. And then she continue that she also can find male bodies or male look attractive for her.
On the flip side, however, girls were always taught that we were completely emotionally stimulated, which basically means that we were always taught that when we notice a guy, it's going to be because of their personality and their charm and their charisma and all that different stuff. However, we never were actually told, you're going to notice guys because they're good-looking people. So what happened was myself and all of my other 11-year-old friends who grew up to be 14, 15, all of a sudden hormones hit and we're just like... But because we basically were never ever told that girls, notice guys' looks as well, we were like, oh my gosh, what's wrong with us? We're such sinners. Oh my gosh, we're disgusting human beings. And it was just a big mess. And that brings me back to...
And on the second video is Southeast Asian female YouTuber who said the common reason female look at male is either he is handsome or his body's attractive for her.
Beberapa alasan kenapa cewek ngeliatin kamu. Here we go! Yang pertama, dimulai dari yang paling simple. Di banyak kasus nih ya guys, di banyak kasus nih, kalau seorang wanita melihat kamu, ngelirik kamu, menatap kamu setidaknya 2 kali sampai 3 kali berturut-turut, bahkan lebih, mungkin berkali-kali atau sesering mungkin lah ya, dan gak segan-segan untuk ngelakuin kontak mata sama kamu, itu menandakan kalau dia tertarik sama kamu. Ada hal yang menarik gitu dari diri kamu buat dia. Contohnya bisa-bisa dia menyukai wajah kamu, tubuh kamu, penampilan kamu, gaya kamu. Intinya dia ngeliatin kamu itu dengan mimik, dengan pandangan yang kelihatannya ya dia tertarik gitu sama kamu. Bahkan kayaknya tuh pengen banget dia kenalan gitu loh. Apalagi ditambah kalau dia ngasih senyuman.
Now, of course, through this type of feminists will still say it like, no, they don't. You must show the real scene where female goes crazy over topless male. Evidence number 3. Earlier scenes were at the wedding party, the female bride and female audience goes wild and crazy when there is a show of a buff muscle man open his shirt and topless at the wedding party. Now, Prudish feminists will try to deny it by say something like, no, you need to show the video where female touch male chest after she saw him topless to prove your point. Okay, now I will show you 3 video where the female touch male chest and male nipple after she saw this guy topless. One of them is scene where Katy Perry touched male topless chest and pinched his nipple on the live stage during Southeast Asia tour.
And how old are you? 21. Are you sure? Where's your mother? Good. You're good?
Now, I know Southeast Asian mainstream will mostly say something like, oh, this is just a script. Katy Perry is forced to do that. And the man, Indonesia is a prudish country. It's almost impossible for the promoter to ask Katy Perry to pinch topless man nipples. So that scripted argument is more unlikely. Katy Perry randomly asks one of her male fans came on the stage, and coincidence that young man topless, and there is the moment where Katy Perry reflect and decide to touch and pinch that young man nipples without asking consent first. Imagine if without asking the consent, Katy Perry just pinched the nipple of the audience, of the man audience, and coincidence it happened to be me, the guy who is sensitive. I would feel uncomfortable when woman touch me without my consent. Just like when Steven Seagal touched breasts of his female fans. But of course, only count as sexism as statistic if Steven Seagal did it and upset many modesty type of feminists and religious fanatic if Steven Seagal did it. But if Katy Perry did it, every female and male audience cheers. Now you may say like, but how about consent, you know? The man that been touched by Katy Perry feel lucky about it. It's biased. Why? Because if there is a body confidence female who okay to be touched by men at public life, especially at Southeast Asia, even if she give consent, people will still say it's harassment, objectification to female, and goes to jail, something like that. Secondly, so we, especially Southeast Asian society, have a norm that teaches us to only sensitive if it is about man touch female. Maybe for some Indonesian and their prudish feminists will excuse or think something like, hey, impossible for Katy Perry to attracted to physicality of Indonesian male. We even more attracted to Western man, something like that. But hey, Katy Perry is from West. You know, she can perceive differently when seeing Southeast Asian male. And who knows, that is the reason why she pinched the nipple of that Indonesian male. And the other two videos is more obvious. The female see the guy topless and she naturally want to touch it after seeing him topless. Videos of two female journalists who touch chest of topless male athletes on live TV during Olympic, and another videos of Asian girl who touch chest of buff topless male.
Cool. You can be shirtless. Your nipples look cold.
They're hard no matter what.
Alright.
Show you female can attracted to male topless area.
Steps, a little bit of chest. If she's touching, then she's like, it's just, oh, look at that dance.
And also, by the way, if these two cases were reversed in gender, you know, like man touch female chest, suddenly it will be count as objectification or harassment to female by mainstream, and the man who touch will be derided as pervert. Now, another video of a ring girl who admire the buff and the muscles of one ex-UFC over him who topless during weigh-in. Now, through this type of feminist will still denial and search another excuse like, oh, show me the more valid proof, if not I will not believe it. Videos of famous tennis male athletes who shirtless or topless or change his clothes during competition, and when he topless, there is a female audience who immediately took her camera phone and photos that famous topless tennis male athletes. I forgot the name, Nadal or Murray, but that is a valid point, right? Valid proof.
Out of the top 100 for the first time in 15 years. He's going to maintain injury-free career, which something that too many guys are able to do these days.
Great effort for him to really put
Now, there is ladies who apply a fair play in the sense that they admit that some female can attracted to male chest too. Like all proof that I already shown you before, but there is some female like Asian modesty type of feminism or religious hijabi girl or nun girl who always try to deny it, like this hijabi girl who try to portray or push narrative that somehow all female must were attracted visually at all, notion for her own agenda.
Gak merhatiin dada, emang merhatiin apanya? Besarnya? Enggak guys, enggak ke arah situ.
Well, I can show you some other evidence that this hijabi girl doesn't represent all women. Now I will show you the evidence of another hijabi woman or hijabi young ladies who trying to look back, see a topless buff man who doing exercise for his man fitness show at mall. I make a memes about how hijabi female attracted to see buff topless man at mall, and I got like from Syrian ladies. Syrian, a place where most female taboo on her sexuality. In Indonesia, there is several time a trend amongst teenager where the man will be topless or partial naked, and the ladies, the hijabi ladies, will kiss his armpit. Okay. Now, it also can be a sign that this hijabi female willingly want to kiss their male friends' armpits while he topless because she like it, right? A young Southeast Asian female YouTuber who make a videos where she touching, even biting her male friend's nipple or his chest. Now it do show there is a sign that she attracted to man nipple and sexualized male chest. That is why she make that video. Even at that long duration videos, she keep touching and beating man nipple. If she doesn't like it at all, she will not willingly make that kind of videos. Now, imagine if the gender were reversed. Through this Southeast Asia society, a man YouTuber make a videos where he keep touching and beating female breasts, you know, what's the reaction that will happen? Double standard again. Even YouTube doesn't restricted when this female on her video keep touching and beating man nipple. The reverse would either be age restricted or would be banned. Now, an Indonesian female artist who enthusiastically said like, oh, open your shirt to the male actor who they know have buff chest and six-pack abs. Now you may say, oh, maybe this show was scripted, but who knows? The female actress also happy to follow the script because they also do like to see his topless six abs bodies. Here is a videos where bunch of young Asian ladies goes to male strip club, something like that, and they all enthusiastic and happy and enjoy seeing buff topless men. Even the ladies have no problem when got a chance to touch male nipple and his six pack. And it even show in the end that all of the ladies enjoying their days, and some record that topless man for of fun. Another is when there is a topless buff man who become a mannequin. There is an Indian ladies who look at that topless man, touch his nipple, then keep looking, and before goes off, she pinch that man nipple again. That all advert in here were an underage puber boy actor been shown topless bathing, and there is several women who comments like, oh, this boy actor already teenager now, something like that. Well, I couldn't 100% say like, oh, this must be pervert, okay, but who knows. Also, I imagine if the advert were reversed, it is a girl who been shown like bathing, and there is a several man who comments like, oh, this little girl actress already teenager now. I don't think it would be accepted at this Muslim through this country. Well, I know after I show this many evidence of female can admire handsome topless man with his buff chest or his abs, modesty type of feminism, religious fanatic or hijabi or nun or media or politician will still try to deny it. Okay, now I will give you the strong evidence that a nice and kind female alone who admit it, and I respect for that. By showing the videos where kind female alone honestly said that they can attracted to man chest and man abs, automatically by default it will debunk the study which claim female never attracted visually, they only care man character and his smile, proof bias.
A study analyzed 89.9% of women considering kindness a very no, it wasn't the abs. Instead, an attractive smile.
If there is a notion written on paper claiming that during interview all female never attracted visually to man bodies, she only care his character and his smile, even if they label themselves with quote-unquote studies, versus the videos that I will show you next, where many kind ladies honestly said during interview that she can attracted to man chest and man abs in front of your own eyes. Which one will you believe? That kind of studies is biased or at least not complete because of many factors. Society teaches female to be shy. There is a demand from society and sisterhood which wish female to be portrayed as a perfect human being. Religion which teach female to be sensitive on this kind of issues. Okay, now these videos will show you the truth and open your eyes.
On the flip side, however, girls were always taught that we were completely emotionally stimulated, which basically means that we were always taught that when we notice a guy, it's going to be because of their personality and their charm and their charisma and all that different stuff. However, we never were actually told, you're going to notice guys because they're good-looking people. So what happened was myself and all of my other 11-year-old friends who grew up to be 14, 15, all of a sudden hormones hit and we're just like... But because we basically were never ever told that girls, notice guys' looks as well, we were like, oh my gosh, what's wrong with us? We're such sinners. Oh my gosh, we're disgusting human beings. And it was just a big mess.
Aja ngeliatnya kayak cowok yang dadanya bidang, tinggi, terus badannya berisi. Itu good looking banget sumpah.
Karena kalau kita pelukan kan enak gitu. Di sini dilindungi.
Area tubuh laki-laki yang paling kamu suka apa sih?
Apa ya kalau untuk dari laki-laki? Dada yang bidang.
Dada.
Di dada, apalagi yang dadanya bidang.
Kenapa sih kamu suka yang kayak gitu?
Suka aja, jadi kan
Karena kalau kita pelukan kan enak gitu. Di sini dilindungi.
kayak senang aja ngeliatnya kalau nyender tuh kayaknya enak gitu. Suka aja ngeliatnya kayak cowok yang dadanya bidang, tinggi, terus badannya berisi. Itu good looking banget sumpah.
Ada lagi mana?
Karena tangan tuh enak buat digandeng. Apalagi kan kalau yang cowoknya dadanya bidang, jadi sambil ngegandeng sambil nyender ke dadanya bidang.
Area tubuh laki yang paling kamu suka apa sih?
Sebenarnya nggak ada yang spesifik, tapi akhir-akhir ini aku suka banget lihat
area tubuh cowok di antara dada sampai ke pinggang. Yang kecil gitu, kayak lucu liatnya teh. Langsing, tapi kadang suka ada orang yang kayak ininya gede banget, tapi kesininya kecil gitu. Tapi kalau ini tuh kayak rata tuh menurut aku lebih menarik gitu.
Ada lagi?
Oh, ini enggak. Kalau yang suka olahraga laki-laki kan suka ada ototnya. Tapi aku suka lihat K-pop kan, yang badannya itu six pack gitu. Aku suka itu. Malu.
Ya tertarik pasti sama cowok ganteng lah.
Berarti dari fisik kan?
Fisik,
Nah.
tinggi,
Terus tinggi doang gitu.
cowok tinggi, cowok wangi, badannya bagus. Kalau ganteng sih relatif ya. Udah itu doang. Ya kadang cewek itu sukanya sama yang materi lah ya.
Oke, itu bukan fisik.
Itu sih.
Berarti dada berbidang, terus cowoknya tinggi.
Ya,
Tapi kalau itu nggak apa-apa.
kemanis gak apa-apa.
Thank you to all nice, kind Asian ladies and hijabi ladies who openly honest that they attracted to male buff chest and male abs. And some other women in these videos choose to play safe, like they choose bicep or shoulders.
Benar.
Kenapa sih?
Kan kalau lagi jalan kan gandengan gitu, gandengan kan enak gitu. Kayak gimana sih squishy. Kalau ngomongin arahnya ke tipe, lebih ke good looking aja. Karena benar kalau muka itu relatif, gimana penilaian masing-masing.
And even some are too defensive, that they choose the weight the part like finger or feet area like man finger, which impossible to be like at or to be look at.
Kaki.
Kaki kan banyak nih kaki seluruh.
Itu tuh jenjang kakinya, tangannya tuh yang kayak gimana sih? Kayak ada urat-urat gitu.
Here is another strong evidence where there is a young male badminton athlete who during Asian Games did a topless celebration, and it became viral and many media make that news because many female audience attracted or admire that buff and six-pack of these young badminton male athletes. Even during interview, several ladies admit it.
Salah satu yang paling menyita perhatian di media sosial hingga membuat kehebohan tersendiri adalah raihan emas Jonathan Christie. Hal tersebut karena sosoknya yang tampan dan menjadi dambaan para wanita. Hingga banyak netizen yang salah fokus karena Jonathan Christie atau yang akrab disapa Jojo ini membuka bajunya setelah dinyatakan menang. Bahkan, aduh Jojo gemes banget ya. Iyalah, idolain dia juga. Dia baru tapi dia bisa dapat gold, ganteng juga, nggak bisa bohong, dia lucu gitu kan. Terus habis itu dan dia tuh emang ini anak kayaknya agak-agak tengil juga gitu loh. Jadi kayak habis menang buka baju, ini aja histeris lah gitu, udah dia jago. Terus pasti buka baju badannya bagus, udah pasti histeris. Jadi fokusnya bukan ke emasnya tapi malah fokusnya ke roti sobeknya perutnya Jojo. Nggak usah di lapangan, saya di rumah nontonnya gitu ya. Untuk kalau misalkan streaming bisa diulang gitu. Nah, Jojo asik.
And nothing wrong for ladies to be open about what she feel. This happened at Muslim majority country where many produce feminist and religious fanatic. I think if the gender were reversed, it would become taboo. It will derided as objectification by prudish feminists or religious fanatic. Still, from that badminton male athlete topless celebration case, after you see that female actress admit it that she like to show that young badminton male athlete topless during the interview. Now here is another strong evidence. Second female actress who invite that young badminton male athletes on her show, and also during the interview these ladies also talk about, like, for example, how female audience like when this young male athlete do topless celebration, how the female audience appreciate and get fun when seeing this young handsome male athlete topless.
Tunggal putra dengan Jojo Jonathan Christie yang saat ini berada di pelatnas bulu tangkis Cipayung. Selamat malam Jojo.
Selamat malam Mbak Nana.
Jojo, sebetulnya Mata Najwa berharap Jojo bisa ada di tengah-tengah kita. Itu tadi yang nepukin banyak banget loh, ibu-ibu, cewek-cewek. Maunya Jojo ada di sini, duduk di tengah gitu. Jojo, ketika menang kemarin, foto Jojo viral tuh di mana-mana, dibahas di mana-mana. Jadi bintang di headline koran saja hari ini ada berapa headline, semuanya foto Jojo tuh. Sudah menjadi seperti apa tuh? Jadi malah gagal fokus, jadi salting, atau itu sih biasa? Yang mana nih? Di bintang baru, jadi salah tingkah, diperhatikan kanan kiri. Tidak membuat seperti itu kan, Jo?
Tidak.
Ini saya harus nanya karena banyak yang nitip untuk nanya. Itu jadi buka kaos itu, Jo, itu sesuatu yang memang sudah direncanakan, spontan, atau ada motivasi lain tuh?
Itu
yang pertama spontan, yang kedua?
Iya.
Ya. Yang kedua jadi
Yang kedua spontan tetap.
Oh, tetap spontan ya? Spontan sih cuma sekali, Jo.
She said, like, after that case, he have many fans, especially from the female side, and the young male athlete say something like, oh, if this female audience enjoy my body, then it's okay, and then everybody give applause. Many female audience happy on that show.
Tapi nggak apa-apa karena kayaknya yang apresiasi dan menikmati kespontanan itu juga banyak sih, Jo.
Ya kalau buat orang lain bergembira ya nggak apa-apa lah.
Oke. Baik.
And also at the comment section, most of them is a female, and they talk about this young badminton male athletes. Now, after I show you numerous of evidence where female can look at buff topless man, or female also can touch male chest, or showing that topless man can be objectified too. Even the honest interview with ladies. Now I want you to look at this comment from Asian Prudist feminist, and maybe it's hero dude, also from hijabi modesty type of feminist, who say or make a propaganda videos that said men would not able to see topless female at public.
Karena tubuhnya wanita itu adalah hasrat bagi laki-laki. Semua laki-laki, mau wanita itu jelek ataupun apa, tapi setiap kali wanita itu bertelanjang dada lah di depan laki-laki, pasti laki-laki bakalan berhasrat.
Surprise! Here is some videos for you where it show that man able to control himself seeing topless female at public, and it's very normal at that society. I think enough for today. My female is visual towards man bodies videos I divide per part. So yes, there will be a next videos of female are visual on another specific part of man bodies videos, because I still have another many enough evidence. Other factor that can make male more curious or obsessed on female form, while female more can able to control herself, is because man bodies always been exposed at public all the time or more family rating. On the other hand, female bodies often make taboo by religious fanatic or through this type of feminists. This is why man more repress himself, okay, and more curious, because like even little bit of female skin must be censored, must be covered, taboo for men to see it, while even a little girl can easily laugh at naked Mr. Bean at public family movie theater. You know what I mean? Yes, some Prudist feminists will say like, oh, you just make it, social construct is bullshit. But on the evidence that I already show you before, actually there is already a hint that this factor affect too. Okay? And yes, I can debate on that point too. And yes, I can make another video specific on that issues too.